Okay, the V-plow's done for the most part. I still have to add some braces. I want to put some braces across from here to brace those a little bit. Angle's working. I have the lift system done. Right there, I just have that rod going from there, the mower deck lift, all the way up to this thing right here. And I have pieces made to fit from here to here, or from there, right here. Here's one of them. Fit them in like that. Hole there, hole there, hole here that I will have, and the hole back here for the all the way back angled. That one I can use too. These pieces on the end are just from where I cut out for the V part there. They're bolted on. I did that. I thought that'd be nicer so that I wouldn't get water in there and rust and run out. But it actually went easier than I thought, drilling the holes and stuff. I thought the welding would be a lot easier, but that went pretty good, so that's good.